In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Loop effectively and efficiently. Whether you're looking to save your work for sharing or just for safekeeping, this guide will walk you through the steps in a seamless manner. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and begin by searching for Microsoft Loop. Simply type Microsoft Loop in your search bar and press Enter. Clicking on the first link that comes up will take you directly to the Microsoft Loop homepage. If you often work with Loop, it's a good idea to bookmark this page for future ease of access. Once you're on the Loop homepage, the next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button and enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but most users should be able to log in with their existing Microsoft credentials. With your sign-in complete, navigate to the specific Microsoft Loop page or component that you'd like to export. You might be exporting a page, a document, or perhaps a dashboard you've worked on. Take a moment to ensure this is the specific item you want to export and save. On the page or component, locate the three dots, also known as the ellipsis, which you'll find in the top right corner of the interface. Clicking these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to that particular page or component. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Export to PDF if you're dealing with a page. This feature is particularly handy when you want to maintain the structured appearance of your Loop content once it's exported. You might also find options to export as a Word document or Excel file, depending on your content and preference. When you select the export option, you may be prompted to choose specific options. For example, if you're exporting to a PDF, you may need to decide on the page orientation, portrait or landscape. Opt for whichever suits your content best. Taking a moment here ensures that your final document looks exactly how you intend. Finally, the exported file will be saved to a location of your choice. Typically, your browser will ask you where you'd like to save the file, or it will automatically save it to your default download folder. Make sure to choose a location that is easy to remember so you can access it quickly when needed. And there you have it. With your exported file ready, you're now set to share your work with colleagues, or perhaps just keep a backup for yourself. With these steps, you can confidently handle your Microsoft Loop content, ensuring it's easily accessible and preserved just the way you want it. Thanks for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect with these tasks, so don't hesitate to try exporting different types of content to see what best supports your work habits.